If you want to know how to quote tweet on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can repost a tweet with your own comment in just a few seconds. This is a great way to add context, share your opinion, or reply to a post while still keeping the original tweet visible. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the X app and find the tweet you want to quote. It can be any public tweet that you want to share with your own thoughts attached. Once you've found the tweet, look underneath it for the repost icon. This is the icon that looks like two arrows forming a square or loop. Tap or click that repost button to open the sharing options. From the menu that appears, select Quotes. This tells X that you don't just want to repost the tweet as is. You want to add your own comment with it. After you click Quote, a new post box will open with the original tweet attached inside it. That means your audience will be able to see the tweet you're referencing right alongside your own message. Now click into the text box at the top and type your comment. This is where you can share your opinion, give extra context, ask a question, or explain why you're quoting the tweet. Try to keep your message clear and relevant so it adds value to the original post. You can make it short and casual or use it to start a deeper conversation with your followers. Once your comment is ready, take a quick look at everything one more time. Make sure the original tweet is the one you wanted, and check that your text says exactly what you want it to say. If everything looks good, click Post. Your quote tweet will go live immediately, and it will appear on your profile and in your followers' feeds. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to quote tweet on X or Twitter in just a few simple steps. It's fast, easy, and one of the best ways to engage with content on the platform while adding your own voice. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.